Hey, Cal. You guys. Cal.
It's like they're dueling. You know when they're sleeping, they're arguing.
Hold on. You know what? Hold on. It's the Dueling Snorers. Hang on. Come on. Hold on. Cal.
Okay,
I don't want
so
to.
can
Hold on.
are you recording?
Yeah.
Well, I want to do the commentary.
Oh, come on.
All right, so it's July 3rd, and oh fuck me, I forgot to call my mom and wish her happy birthday.
You really can't even see the tents here. It's too
But
dark.
right now, here in Tokeland, we've got two different tents side by side, and in those tents, we've got some snorers. Wait, listen to this. Here's in tent number 1.
Tent number 1.
That's really something.
Tent number 2.
That's not so. Tent number 1 is kicking tent number 2's ass in the snoring. Yep.
Hold on. That's tent number 1. He's really sawing some serious fucking logs right now. Here's tent number 2. Hold on. Tent number 2's over here. That's tent number 2. Awesome. Tent number 1's really going though, man. This guy's really going. Bad.
And besides that, he's had a bad afternoon. His girlfriend left camp. Left him for 3 hours. Here I am.
Oh man. You know what? Even though the screen's blank, it is really freaking hilarious right now. This guy's snoring so fucking loud, it's crazy. And this guy's really going too. Hold on. Good night.